Hello there, Diogo here. For the unboxing today, I bring you the newest release from Unstable Games, which is called Command of Nature. With this new deck building tabletop, you can choose your elemental faction among leaf, twig, pebble and droplet. You build your formation, you recruit some allies, you unlock new abilities, and the goal is beat your opponents in order to command the forces of nature. As an avid fan of Unstable Games, I can say I already played Unstable Unicorns, Here to Slay, Happy Little Dinosaurs, Casting Shadows, and all of those games were pretty fun and immersive. After the Kickstarter campaign, Command of Nature was set to arrive in July, and it just arrived right in the beginning of the month, so let's open this and see what's inside of both the core game and the expansion Sand and Wind. So here's all the content that comes inside of both boxes of Command of Nature. That said, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if in the meantime you also received this game and played with your friends and you have some thoughts about it, just leave it in the comments. I would love to read it and discuss further. Thank you for watching and see you in another unboxing. Bye!